In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Chime Bank account. Creating an account with Chime is quite straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step so you can get started effortlessly. Whether you're looking for a flexible banking option or just exploring new financial tools, Chime offers a convenient way to manage your money. First, you need to head over to chime.com, or if you prefer using your smartphone, download the Chime app from your app store. Once you're there, it's time to get started by signing up. The process begins by entering some basic information. You'll need to provide your full name, a valid email address, and a password. It's important to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Additionally, you'll need to enter your social security number. This is a necessary step for verifying your identity, ensuring that your account is safe and secure from the get-go. Once you've submitted your information, Chime will review your details. This approval process usually happens quickly, so you won't be waiting long. After you've been approved, you're ready to log in to your new Chime account. At this stage, you can choose to set up direct deposit, which is a great way to have your paycheck automatically deposited into your account. Alternatively, you can link another bank account to add money to your Chime account, giving you the flexibility to manage your funds as you prefer. Now that your account is set up, Chime will send you a Visa debit card. This handy card will arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. It's worth the short wait, as this card will allow you to access your funds conveniently, whether you're shopping online, in-store, or even needing to withdraw cash from an ATM. And just like that, your Chime account is ready to use. With your account set up and your debit card on its way, you're all set to enjoy the benefits that come with banking through Chime. Whether it's the convenience of mobile banking or the features tailored to help you save and manage your money better, Chime offers a modern banking experience designed to meet your needs. Thank you for watching this quick guide on setting up your Chime account. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to start using your new account. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to explore more resources online or reach out to Chime's customer support. Enjoy your new banking experience.